Are you trying to decide between Proton Drive and Cloud? You're not alone. Today, we'll break down these two cloud storage options to help you choose the right one for you. Both Proton Drive and Cloud offer secure ways to store your files online. They both focus on keeping your data safe and accessible from anywhere. But how do they compare? Let's start with Proton Drive. This service is known for its strong privacy features. It uses end to end encryption, meaning only you can access your files. Proton Drive is great for those who value security above all else. Its user interface is clean and easy to navigate, making file management simple. Now, let's look at Pcloud. This tool is popular for its flexibility. It offers a unique feature called Pcloud Drive, which creates a virtual drive on your computer. This lets you access your files without using up space on your device. Pcloud also has a user friendly design and offers file sharing options that are easy to use. So, what are the key differences? Proton Drive focuses heavily on privacy, while Cloud offers more features for file management. If you need top notch security, Proton Drive is your best bet. But if you want more flexibility and storage options, Cloud might be the way to go. When it comes to pricing, both services have free plans. Proton Drive has limited storage, while pCloud offers more options for paid plans. Cloud often has more affordable long term subscriptions, which can be a big plus. In the end, if privacy is your main concern, go for Proton Drive. If you want more features and flexibility, Cloud is a solid choice. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.